Hi there, welcome to Social Guidance. In this video, I will show you how to optimize Wix SEO for financial services websites. So for this, first of all, go to your Wix dashboard and log into your account. Now, once you are in your account, now over the left side, scroll down and click on Settings. So once you click on Settings, now here you will find multiple options like Finance and Payments. Then we have Business Solutions. Next we have Site Domain and SEO, where you can manage your SEO. So we have 4 steps here. First of all, you need to connect your domain with Wix website from here. Next, you can manage plans, like you can add a subscription or your pricing plans from here. Next, we have business emails. You can set up your business emails with your domain. So the next step we have is site member settings. So where you can manage your site's members sign up and login security and profile privacy and permissions. So if I click on it, let's see. It will take few seconds while opening. Okay, so now here you can set up login security, like as we enter to any website, so where we need to sign up, then we can proceed. Next we have member privacy. So you can set up member privacy here, like adding authenticator code, etc., something like that. Then we have member tools, where you can create roles of your members and set their page permission. And then we have member badges. You can give them badge like they are or new seller or a regular customer, something like that. So this is how you can optimize Wix SEO for financial services website. If this video helped you, please. Mhm. This is it for today's video. I hope you like it. If you have any question, please comment down below and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. Bye.